to delete Reels watch history on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch Instagram app on a device. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards profile icon at bottom right corner and simply tap three-line menu icon at top right to access settings and activity. Scroll down. Tap your activity on the how you use Instagram section. Now here you will see the interactions and remove and archive content you shares, suggested content and how you use Instagram section. From here you can check account histories, the reels or posts that you interacted, but there is no particular way to delete reels watch history on Instagram. So what you can do is simply wait for the updates for Instagram. For that, you can subscribe our channel and know if Instagram has that feature to delete Reels watch history. Because once you have watched Reels, Instagram doesn't offer a way to see or delete the history of those watched video. Since Instagram doesn't store or display the store history in a way we access, there is no way to clear it. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.